Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter from my English Garden book. This is the second chapter of your book, and the name of the chapter is No Smiles Today. This is a story about a little girl and why she was sad. So let us continue and move on to the chapter. Follow your books. Shanti and Arun were good friends. They had so much fun together. They shared secrets in class. They ran races on the way home. So she was always cheerful. So this is a story about a girl named Shanti and a boy named Arun. Okay, so they were very good friends. See, when you go to school, you have friends at school, right? So Shanti and Arun were very good friends and they had so much fun together. They always had fun. They enjoyed very much. And what did they do? They shared secrets in class and they also shared secrets with each other. Like when you go to school, you have many friends. At home also you have some friends, right? You share your secrets with them. So similarly, Shanti and Arun also shared their secrets. They ran races on the way home, and when they returned home from school, they ran races together to see who could run faster. And they were always cheerful. What is the meaning of cheerful? Cheerful means happy. They were always very happy. One day, Shanti came into the classroom slowly. Her head was bent. She did not look at anybody. She looked sad. So, what happened one day? See, Shanti and Arun, they were very happy children, right? But one day something happened that made Shanti very sad. Okay, so one day Shanti came into the classroom very slowly. So, she was not happy. She was sad, right? And her head was bent. So this is what you do when you are sad. You look towards the floor and your head is bent. Okay. So everybody could see that she was sad. Her head was bent as she did not look at anybody. She came straight in the class looking at the floor and she sat down. Why? Because she was sad. Did someone scold you? Asked Arun. So Arun was worried why his friend was sad and he asked, Did someone scold you? Arun thought that maybe somebody had scolded Shanti and that is why Shanti was sad. Shanti shook her head. She sat down and did not look up. She did not answer present when the class teacher called out her name. So what happened that when Arun asked her if somebody had scolded her, okay, if somebody had scolded her, what did Shanti do? She shook her head. That means she said no, that nobody had scolded her. But still, she did not look up. Okay, she was still sad. Nobody had scolded her, but still she was sad. She did not answer present when the class teacher called out her name. So every morning when you come to the class, your class teacher calls your name and your roll number and you say present ma'am, right? So that day Shanti was so sad that even when her class teacher called out her name, she did not answer present. Okay, she did not give her attendance. The teacher called again, louder this time. Shanti Kumar. Shanti raised her hand. Next, what happened is that after this, when she did not respond, okay, the teacher once again called her name and louder. The teacher thought that maybe she is talking or maybe she is absent. That is why she called her name louder this time. And what is her name? Her name is Shanti Kumar. So her name is Shanti Kumar. Okay. So she called out again, and this time Shanti did not say present, but what did she do? She raised her hand. Okay. When you give your attendance, what do? You raise your hand or you stand up and say present ma'am, right? But Shanti, she did not say present, she only raised her hand. And when she did so, what did the teacher think? Do you have a sore throat? The teacher asked her. Okay. So the teacher asked her if she had a sore throat. Sore throat, that means sore means painful. Okay, so when you catch a cold, sometimes you have a pain in your throat, right? you have a pain and you cannot talk. It becomes difficult for you to talk or swallow. So the teacher thought that maybe Shanti was sick and she had a sore throat, and that is why she raised her hand and did not answer present. Okay, so up till now, what did we see? We saw that this story is about Shanti and Arun. Shanti is sad and she comes into the classroom slowly without looking at anybody, and when everybody asks her what happened, she does not tell them what happened. Okay, and even after the teacher asks her if she has a sore throat, she says no. So see, this is a picture. In this picture you can see that the teacher is calling Shanti's name and she only raises her hand. She does not say present. Okay, and you see in this picture that Shanti is sad, right? And she is sad and her friends are really worried about her. So this is a picture that shows you what happens till now. Now let's move on to the next part. Shanti shook her head. Her cheeks were red and it looked like she had fever. Okay, so when the teacher asked her if Shanti had a sore throat, what did she do? She again shook her head. That means she said no. Her cheeks were red and it looked like she had fever. The teacher looked at her and the teacher thought that maybe she had a fever. Are you feeling okay? The teacher asked. Now the teacher was very worried, right? See, when you come to school and we see that you do not feel well, you have a stomach ache or your head aches, and you do not feel very joyful, what do? We always ask you, right, that if you are feeling well or not. So the teacher was also worried about Shanti and she asked Shanti, are you feeling okay? Shanti nodded, still not daring to look up. Okay, when the teacher asked her if she was feeling okay, Shanti nodded. Nod, what is meaning of nod? Nod means to say yes. Okay, she shook her head again, but this time this was a yes and not a no. Still not daring to look up, but still, even after Shanti said that yes, she was okay by nodding her head, she did not look up at the teacher. Why does Shanti look so sad? Is your little brother okay? Is your puppy okay? Is your grandmother okay? Shanti kept nodding her head to each of her friends, but she did not look up. So what happened is, Shanti still did not feel happy or did not say anything. So all her friends became worried, and after that they started asking questions. Okay, Shanti looked sad, and what did they ask her? Somebody asked her that if her little brother was okay. Is your little brother okay? So somebody asked her if her little brother was okay. Then somebody asked her, is your puppy okay? So Shanti has a little puppy and somebody thought that maybe her puppy was sick. Is your grandmother okay? Somebody thought that maybe something had happened to her grandmother. Maybe her grandmother was sick. Okay, that is why Shanti was sad. But each time, what did Shanti do? She kept nodding. That means to every question, she said yes. That means her little brother was okay, her puppy was okay, her grandmother was okay. She did not feel sick, but still she was sad. But still she did not look up. Okay, she did not look up. That means she was still sad. Arun wanted to make her smile. He had an idea. He took out something from his bag. Now, at the very beginning, we have seen that Arun is Shanti's friend, right? Shanti's best friend is Arun. Now, when Shanti was sad, Arun felt sad for her too. And what did he do? He wanted to make her smile. Arun wanted to make her smile. And he had an idea. What did he do? He took out something from his bag. And he had something in his bag and he took it out. As he ran to show it to Shanti, it slipped out of his hand. And what happened? Arun took out something from his bag and after taking that, he ran towards Shanti to show it to her. But what happened? It slipped out of his hands and this thing which Arun was carrying slipped out. Shanti saw something fly towards her and she grabbed it. Okay, So you see, when somebody throws a ball at you, you can see the ball is coming towards you and you catch it, right? So that happened. When Arun was running with this thing in his hand, what happened that this thing slipped from his hand and Shanti saw it flying towards her. And what did she do? She grabbed it. Okay, what did she do? She grabbed it. What is the meaning of grab? Grab means to catch. Okay, she caught it. It was a big green rubber frog. And what was the thing that Arun was coming to show Shanti? It was a big green rubber frog. So Arun had brought a big green rubber frog to school and he wanted to show this to Shanti. Shanti's eyes flew open. Then she opened her mouth to laugh. And what happened is, Shanti saw this rubber frog and she thought that it was very funny and she started to laugh. Only then did Arun and her other friends see why she had not smiled or talked all day. Now, when Shanti began to laugh, everybody saw something. They understood immediately why Shanti had not talked or smiled the whole day. What did they see? 4 of her front teeth had gone missing. So, Shanti's front 4 teeth were not there. So, her teeth had fallen out. The tooth fairy had come and taken her teeth away. Okay, so her teeth were missing and that is why Shanti was very sad to see that her teeth had gone missing, and that is the reason why she did not smile or talk from the morning. But when she saw this green frog that Arun had brought, she could not control. She felt so happy that she started laughing. Okay, so this is the story for you. No smiles today. Read the story once again and then follow this explanation and you will be able to understand better. Okay, this is a very easy story and this is a funny story, and you see that what do you see in this story? You see that when your friends are sad, you try to make them laugh. So Shanti was sad and Arun tried to make her laugh and he was successful and Shanti became happy again. So this is the chapter No Smiles Today for you. That's all for today. Thank you and bye bye.